There's been a lot of talk about police reform and what that might look like. In Ann Arbor, Mayor Christopher Taylor says he has a clear vision of what he would like to see happen in his city.
Here we're envisioning persons outside the police department responding to 911 calls where appropriate.
If the dispatcher determines the call to 911 is nonviolent, then an armed police officer might not be the best initial contact at that moment.
Police are overworked, that they're called upon to do things that could best be performed by unarmed personnel.
Scenarios where this might come into play are those that require the expertise of a social worker or mental health expert, for example.
Our goal here is to make sure that folks who are in mental health crisis, folks who need human services, that they're not confronted with law enforcement when there is no question of criminal activity.
As for who will likely make that call, it's an important part of this puzzle. Police will be the first to tell you there's no such thing as a routine call, so when you're sending unarmed civilians to respond, the safety of everyone must be considered.
We'll be relying upon the sheriff's expertise and skill and judgment as he puts together a set of dispatch protocols to make sure that the right people go to the right situation.
It's important to note the job or expectations of the police will not be changing. In fact, the mayor says this could help ease their workload.
We're not asking them to go out unarmed through this resolution. What we're doing is we're seeking to expand the provision of mental health services, human services by unarmed professionals in situations where it's appropriate.
The mayor says this proposal could go up for a vote as soon as their next council meeting, which is the first week of April. But he also says the public will have a chance to weigh in here. In fact, he encourages it.
And by email or voicemail or what have you, but certainly too, we have public comment at the beginning of a meeting. You call into the city clerk and get on the list.
In Ann Arbor, Dave Spencer, Fox 2 News.